Hi, I'm Yvonne and I lead the Talent Intelligence and Operations team here at Mews. We're the team behind the scenes making hiring smarter, faster, and more inclusive. Our job is to build the systems, tools, and insights that help recruiters and hiring managers find and hire the best people and give candidates a great experience while we're at it. From interview training to data dashboards to designing how our hiring systems connect, we make sure Mews is set up to grow with the right people in the right place at the right time. Right now, we're working on some incredible projects like improving how we track diverse hiring, making sure that people are paid fairly, and helping Muse decide where in the world we should grow our teams next. We work closely with people engineering, enablement, and talent acquisition to make sure that everything works how it's supposed to work. We're curious, creative, and love solving messy problems, but we also laugh a lot and support each other through everything. And we can't wait to bring a grad into the team. You'll help us map out our entire hiring system landscape, a strategic project focused on making our hiring tools, workflows, and data more connected and scalable. You'll collaborate with cross functional teams, find opportunities for improvement, and help shape how Muse hires now and in the future. If you're curious about people, process, and how strategy becomes real, this is a perfect place for you to start. Excited to get you on board.
At Mews, our culture is curious, creative, and full of support. And this is brought to life by the frameworks we have in place, such as our Mews Constitution, which are the guiding principles for how we operate. But the nicest thing is that it's not just a document on a screen, you can really feel it being lived and breathed in everything that everyone does. And one of the articles that I think the people team and more biasly the TA team display really well is that we are better together. And being better together really helps us with digging into messy problems. We love digging into messy problems, and sometimes it can feel like there's a lot of them, but there's nothing more rewarding than investigating a problem, coming up with solutions, feeling like your solutions have been listened to, and then seeing them come to life in real time. So, if that sounds like you, this is definitely the place to be. Another thing users are really great at doing is learning from one another and learning from our mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes, and this is a supportive environment. So, just let us know what you've learned from them and what you're going to do differently in the future. And then finally, we celebrate the wins, no matter how big or small they are. We're so excited to welcome you to our team, and we just know that the questions, your ideas, and the different perspectives that you're going to bring are genuinely going to help us grow and take us to the next level. So, even if you've never heard of talent intelligence or recruiting operations before, we really do feel like this is a brilliant place to see how strategy, systems, and people all come together to shape a company. Welcome to the team. We can't wait to see what.
Hi, I'm Camila. I am talent acquisition specialist, and I want to tell you what's going to be your impact once you join us. So, if you will come to our team, you will jump straight into the real cross-functional strategic work. One of our biggest project is mapping out entire hiring system landscape. So we have to figure out how everything connects to each other and how we can scale faster, but also support our recruitment team. And you will also work with teams like people engineering and talent development, which is my favorite one. And we always look for finding some smarter ways to hire and support teams across all the business. Thanks.
Hey Gen users, I'm Vicky. I am the senior sourcer at Mews, and I wanted to talk about some of the projects that we're working on at the moment. So currently we have quite a few really exciting projects that we're working on, of which some of those include, but are not limited to, how do we increase our diverse hiring, and more specifically at a leadership level, so from our director level upwards. We're looking to see how we go about closing the gender pay gap. So Muse is always very transparent about the work that we need to do with that, and it's something that we continue to strive towards. Alongside that, we are looking to see whereabouts in the world can we explore in terms of talent. So where next to take Muse on its evolution, where are the skills, where's the experience that we need to elevate us further towards IPO. And then finally, just looking at the systems and tools that we are using across the team. So be that our applicant tracking systems or just in terms of implementing AI into our day-to-day. AI has become so prominent. We use it for things as simple as, looking up recipes at home, and we want to see how we can leverage that to make the repetitive tasks that maybe take a little bit more time. How do we bring AI in to automate those processes to make things a lot more streamlined, not only for us as a hiring team, but to create a better experience for our candidates?